It's starting to boil. I think this is one of the most exciting parts of my day when I'm about to make my coffee. And it's like boiling like that. It's like my people are calling me and I must have coffee. Beautiful, just beautiful. You know, guys, it's the simple things, isn't it? Like boiling water, having some coffee. It's just gorgeous. And right here is the coffee that we're going to be having. This is one of my favorites. It is a Starbucks coffee. And this one they actually do right, so I'm pretty happy about it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour our coffee in there. Now this one here is medium ground versus fine. I normally have fine, but just had the medium, so I think that's enough. I think I mentioned it before. I kind of eyeball it. Here's a van tip for you, and this is how I keep it closed. I just use this little clamp thing here, and I picked this up at Home Depot or some hardware store, and it was on sale, so yeah, I picked it up. Okay, let's get ready for the pour here. I'm gonna pour it. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Smells so nice. Yeah, that's it. What does it mean when this is like the highlight of your day? At least one of the main highlights of my day.